We're getting ready to take the next gigantic leap forward.
The project to renovate Toyota Stadium and the home of FC Dallas kicks into high gear.
We're going to be building what I think is going to be the finest small soccer specific stadium in the entire world. But it will have more suites. It will have more club seats. It will have the largest video board. We're doing everything Texas size here.
Frisco City leaders and members of FC Dallas came together for a re-groundbreaking of sorts for the next step in Toyota Stadium's evolution.
You know, the original groundbreaking, it was the middle of nowhere. Literally, in a farm field, an incredible vision from Hunt Sports Group to believe in what was happening in this community.
It's come full circle for me. 2004, I was a player. We were playing in the Cotton Bowl, and everybody was talking about this venue that's up north, up the toll road that nobody even knows where it ends. We were like, who's going to come watch this? It shows the visionaries of the Hunt family and what they saw before we all saw it.
The $182 million renovation will create shaded seating, 3,400 more seats, plus upgrades to the suites and club-level seats. The concourse will also be overhauled, creating more concession areas and restrooms. Plus, a 6,000-square-foot video board at the north end of the stadium will welcome fans. Longtime residents Tracy and Keith Shipman have seen the stadium evolve since the facility's first groundbreaking in 2004.
Seeing all the history and all of the things that have built up to this, and now we're going to do the next step.
It just has been such a great place for everyone to gather and celebrate, and so I'm so excited to see it at the next iteration.
Being a resident of Frisco and seeing the stadium back when it first was built and the expansion of the north side, and then to see what it's going to be in 3 years, it's incredible.
This public-private partnership between the City of Frisco, the Hunt family, along with the Frisco Community Development Corporation and the Frisco Independent School District, made this project possible.
It's always been an exciting opportunity for our FISD kids to be able to play in this facility, and the fact that we're going to extend their ability to do that for our long term is exciting.
It's an asset for the City of Frisco, and we need to make sure we keep it state of the art so people want to keep coming here.
The renovations are funded through sales tax revenue bonds, a contribution by the CDC, taxes collected through reinvestment on the land, and $65 million from the Hunt family. The stadium will remain open during the renovation. Construction will start on the east side and will move to the west side next summer. The full renovation is expected to be complete by the 1st of 2028.
Toyota Stadium has been a cornerstone of this community for 20 years. So many memories being made here, from concerts, FC Dallas games, crowning champions, student athletes like my son getting to play football here in the stadium. Just so many personal memories, but to see the vision for the next iteration and it's going to serve this community for the next 30 years is really exciting.